Hello friends, in this video I am covering index and match function, how to use it. The example here is names are given, their scores are given. I have to find students with max score. Those students who have got maximum scores, I have to get list of them. William 96, Oscar 96, Annie 96. I have to get these names. How to do this? Let us see. I have to take helper column for this. If this cell equals max of get me a row number of that cell. Otherwise give me blank. So students who have got maximum score 96, their row number is we got. I have to get these in order. Mean one cell after the another I have to get. So use small function. These errors, if error, I have to remove using if error. I got them in order. Now use index here. Array is this. I have to get score, name of the student. So array is this. Row numbers are this. There is no columns, only one column is there. So William, I got William. Second name for that you have to drag it. These again errors. Use if error. We got 96 William, 96 Oscar, 96 Annie. Students with max score. This is how you should get.